Hi, Amy here with your Tuesday Tidbit. Often wondering why home sales pick up after a presidential election? Well, let's break it down. As we talked about before, with presidential elections on the horizon, most buyers and sellers pull back and take a wait and see attitude. But they want to see what the economic shifts are, and people are hesitant to make big financial moves. Understandable. But here's the good news. Historically, right after an election, the market often sees a rebound. Buyers and sellers who are holding off feel more confident and ready to move forward. This post-election stability drives more activity into the housing market, creating new opportunities for buyers and sellers alike. So if you're thinking about jumping in and buying or selling, the months following an election could be an ideal time. So that's it for this Tuesday. We'll see you here next week.